Good day, everyone.
I'm Kent Juban Krita.
I'm Paul Andrevia Vargas.
Today, we will discuss compartmentation and how this affects watertight integrity in ship. What is compartmentation? Compartmentation is the division of a ship into smaller sections using watertight bulkheads. These compartments are designed to limit the spread of water in case of damage. What is watertight integrity? Watertight integrity refers to the ability of a ship to prevent water from entering or spreading inside the vessel. It is very important for keeping the ship afloat and stable.
Relationship between compartmentation and watertight integrity. Compartmentation helps maintain watertight integrity by containing water in one area only. If one compartment is damaged and flooded, the watertight bulkheads prevent water from spreading to other parts of the ship. This reduces the risk of sinking and gives the crew more time to respond to emergencies. Importance of compartmentation. Number 1. Prevents rapid flooding. Number 2. Improves ship stability. Number 3. Increases safety of passengers and crew. Number 4. Helps the ship stay afloat even after damage. For example, if a ship hits an object and one compartment is damaged, only that section will flood. Because of compartmentation, the rest of the ship remains dry and safe.
In conclusion, compartmentation plays a very important role in maintaining watertight integrity.
It ensures that even if a part of the ship is damaged, the vessel can still stay afloat and safe. Thank you.
Thank you.